Most research presentations fail for one reason: the structure is wrong. People try to include too much information, too many details, too many slides, and the message gets completely lost. Today, in this video, I'll teach you a simple, professional 6-slide structure used by strong academics, researchers, and consultants. This format works for conferences, defenses, seminars, industry pitches, any situation where you need to present your work clearly. I'm Professor Gulsum Kusharova, and after reviewing countless presentations from students, postdocs, and faculty around the world, I can tell you that clear structure is what makes an average talk sound exceptional. Why structure matters? A great presentation is not about beautiful slides or advanced animations, it's about logic. When your slides follow a clear sequence, the audience doesn't have to work hard. They naturally follow your story and your ideas make sense. Your goal is not to impress people with data. Your goal is to guide them through research. 6-slide template. Let's go through the 6-slide structure I use and teach. Slide 1. Title plus problem. Your first slide needs to do two things. What is your research is about and why it matters. It instantly hooks the listener. As an example for my work, improving sperm selection using microfluidic chips, addressing inefficiencies in fertility treatments. This gives your audience context immediately. Slide 2, background. Only share the minimum information required to understand your work. Example, why this problem is important, what the current limitations are, the gap your work addresses. Anything more belongs in a paper, not in a presentation. Slide 3, methods, simplified. One clean diagram, that's it. People do not remember detailed protocols or experimental settings. They remember a visual. Explain your method like this. We designed a microfluidic chip with 3 channels. Motile sperm cells have move here, non-motile cells stay here. Simple, visual, memorable. Slide 4, results. 1 or 2 key findings. Choose one major result, 2 at most. For example, our chip increased healthy sperm concentration by 40%. This keeps your audience focused on what matters. Slide number 5, discussion. Now interpret the results. Explain what they mean, not every statistical detail. For example, this demonstrates that microfluidics can offer a faster, cleaner, and more efficient alternative to conventional sperm selection methods. This is where your voice, your scientific opinion matters. Slide 6, impact and takeaways. This is the most important slide. Answer these questions. Why does this matter? What can this improve? What comes next? What is the real-world application? For example, this technology can reduce IVF cost and improve success rates. Our next steps include scaling the chip and validating it clinically. End strong with clarity and confidence. Now, if we talk about what to remove from presenting your research, here are the things that damage good presentations. Long paragraphs, copy-pasted text on your slides, full literature reviews, tables with too many numbers, detailed methods, unnecessary theory, complex equations that don't support your message. You should not try to prove everything. You should try to explain one clear story. Put yourself instead of the audience and think about them first. To elevate your presentation, speak slowly and with intention. Pause after important points, use your hands naturally, look at the audience, not your slides. Practice with a timer at home, record yourself once. If you have time, it will improve your delivery dramatically. These are the habits of confident, high-impact academic presentations. If you want to build a successful academic or STEM career, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.